been said that people who succeed have momentum. The more they succeed, the more they want to succeed, and the more they find a way to succeed. And similarly, when someone is failing, the tendency is to get on a downward spiral that can even become a self-fulfilling prophecy. So while you have the momentum, you do have a momentum. You are a graduate of the masterclass. You have succeeded, and now you have momentum. So keep on going. And the difference between who you are and who you want to be is what you do. And many of life's failures are people who didn't realize how close they were to success when they gave up. So don't give up. So would you like me to give you a formula for success? It's quite simple, really. Double your rate of failure. You're thinking of failure as the enemy of success, but it isn't that at all. You can be discouraged by failure, or you can learn from it. So go ahead and make mistakes. Make all the mistakes that you possibly can, because that's where you'll find success. So again, congratulations. Great job. You completed this entire masterclass intended to help you build a successful home inspection business in the shortest amount of time. This program prioritized all of the tasks involved so that you didn't waste your time and money. We tried to hold you accountable as we completed each step together. If you followed the course, the steps, the coaching, the homework, then you have completed everything to achieve your goal of building and operating a successful home inspection business, including becoming an InterNACHI certified home inspector, attaining the professional inspector CPI credential, setting up a corporation and getting your legal documents in order, learning how to perform valuable, profitable home inspections, developing your brand, and designing your customized print marketing, choosing the right inspection tools and report writing software, building and managing a website that converts visitors and schedules jobs, writing beautiful home inspection reports efficiently by using mobility, using InterNACHI's SEO tools to get home inspection job leads, and pricing your inspection fees correctly with the highest profit margins, reducing liability with sound business practices and risk management tools, and boosting your business with successful business and marketing strategies. Congratulations.